SAP applications help the world to run simple. Studies estimate that almost 3/4 of world transaction revenues touch an SAP system. But run simple business processes can depend on very complex application landscapes. How can we achieve cloud-like economy and agility with security for enterprise-scale application landscapes? Fully automated deployment and governance is straightforward for basic web applications. But enterprise applications have required either manual deployment, with its high costs, long time to value, and risk of human error, or pre-installed images, or copying an existing landscape, convenient but inflexible. Cloud solutions and converged infrastructure simplify provisioning and configuration, but enterprise architects still must design meticulously to support application requirements. Cisco Application-Centric Infrastructure introduces a revolutionary policy-based approach, enabling application policies to be automatically reflected throughout the entire physical and virtual infrastructure. It also provides real-time visibility of all infrastructure components that affect application behavior. Now, Cisco, SAP, and Vnomic are co-innovating to deliver the last piece of the puzzle, fully profiled applications that can enable fully automated deployment and governance of SAP application landscapes on a policy-based infrastructure aligned with open standards such as OpenStack and Tosca. We call this top-to-bottom policy-based approach software-defined everything, where application landscapes are also policy-based, so their requirements can be used to provision infrastructure automatically, deploy all software automatically, and then monitor and adapt continuously. How is this achieved? First, we create a declarative model of an application landscape, describing its topology and dependencies. From that, we can derive the application's infrastructure requirements. In parallel, we create a model of the infrastructure, describing its capabilities in terms of abstract compute, network, and storage resources, and add industry-related quality of service, security, governance, and compliance policies. With these two models and policies, we can generate a deployment plan. This plan is like a tailor-made template that precisely fits the landscape onto the infrastructure. We use the plan to orchestrate the actions of the entire infrastructure, including compute, networking, storage, and virtualization. Familiar and trusted installation tools deploy the complex application landscape onto the infrastructure. For instance, here is a declarative model of a popular application landscape, SAP Business Warehouse, on top of SAP HANA. Each box is a separate application component, and the lines between boxes represent dependencies. We capture the expert knowledge of how to deploy this landscape using the desired state controller from Vnomic. This turns manual procedures into a program that can be fed directly into Cisco ACI to fully automate provisioning and deployment for even the most complex landscapes. Infrastructure capabilities can be harvested from across the data center, as needed, to support any number of application landscapes. ACI's fine-grained access control provides zero-trust network security, ensuring software components can connect only with intended components, which is critically important for multi-tenant cloud service providers or sensitive on-premises deployments. This is much easier with a top-to-bottom policy-based approach. We extract all of the logical networks from the topology of a specific application landscape and map them directly into ACI's contracts and endpoint groups to ensure that the intelligent infrastructure is programmed accurately. The result? Software-defined everything delivers coordinated, predictable programmability of compute, networking, and storage that meets all application requirements. It reflects complex landscape variations to meet your specific needs, including scale, multi-tenant security, performance, regulatory compliance, governance, and auditability. And its policy-based approach simplifies implementations on the newest infrastructure from a range of vendors. Thanks to Cisco ACI and this industry-leading co-innovation between Cisco, SAP, and Vnomic, enterprise applications can now be realized with cloud-like economy and agility.